Hi guys, it's Silicon Valley Boy. In today's Python tutorial, I will guide you through the process of installing Python. To start writing Python programs, you need to install Python and a code editor, which is IDE. Here are the detailed steps. Installing Python 3. The first step is to install Python on your computer. Open your browser and go to the official Python website, python.org. On the homepage, click the Downloads tab at the top. Locate the Download Python 3 button and download the latest version available. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file was saved. Double-click the installer and follow the step instructions to complete the installation. Choosing a code editor. Next, you will need a tool to write and run Python code. It's recommended to use a development tool specifically designed for coding, such as an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. IDE offer features like code suggestions, syntax highlighting, and debugging tools, which significantly improve coding efficiency. One of the most popular Python development tools is called PyCharm. You need to visit the PyCharm official website to download it, which is jetbrains.com/PyCharm, where you will find two versions of PyCharm. The professional version requires payment, and the community version, free and open source, for beginners. The community version is more than sufficient. Click the download button, locate the installation file, and run it to complete the setup. If you are using a Mac, you will need to drag PyCharm into the Applications folder after installation. Once done, open PyCharm to access the main interface. Start writing code. With Python 3 and PyCharm successfully installed, your development environment is ready. Now you can create your own first Python program using PyCharm and begin learning how to code.